Hello, welcome back to my channel. Right, the MTD, I thought I'd do a video this week. Got some problems with it. I say problems, I think I just need 2 coils. I did say on the update video the other day I was having trouble with spark on the 18 horsepower, and I've got the same problem with this one. I've got it turned over fast enough now. Don't think you can see it. I've got 2 batteries rigged up. You can see, probably see one there somewhere, and the other one's up on the top. They're both on charge at the moment as well. But yeah, I've got no spark. There's no earths or nothing connected to them, so it's not like they're earthing out or nothing like that to cut them out. I'll just get round a bit. But I've got no spark. I've tried the having a little gap, big gap. I've tried all the gaps. There's nothing there. This one is actually off the 18 horsepower. It just seems weird to have 4 coils on 2 engines. Not working, doesn't it? But there is a thing with these V-twins, and I've had it with customers and that. There's one will stop working, and they run it on one cylinder, not even realising that they're down to one sort of we're down to one cylinder. And then, because then when the other one goes, this is the original one off of here. It's still got an earth on it, but it's only because I've been fiddling about. I don't know what you can see, you can't now. So this is off the 18 horsepower. This is the 20 horsepower. I'm not quite 100% sure what's happening. So I thought I'd be clever, and I looked through some of the bits and pieces I've got laying about in here, and I found this one. You can see it, yeah, this one. And I thought, yeah, measure it all out, it looks lovely. There's not a lot in it, but it'll do the job. And then there we can see that one there, the holes are square, and I thought, well, that won't matter. But if you look, they're not quite so far down, so I just can't get it on there enough. It's too tight to the flywheel. Probably by about 3mm. I did one before where I actually stretched the holes, but I'm not 100% sure if that's a good one or not. I think it is. I think it's off the Hater 56 what blew up. Yeah, so that's the 18 horsepower one. So anyway, so don't look like I'm going to get it fired up this week. Actually no, I didn't really want to put a lot of money into this one. I don't mind the engine, if put a bit of money into the engine. One of the things I was looking at last night, or early hours this morning I should say, was someone had converted them to electric ignition, a proper electric ignition of a Chinese motorbike, Chinese scooter or something. And I'm thinking, well, maybe that's the way to go, because it'll probably work out about the same sort of price. You know, just trying to look on eBay and find a cheap set from China. But the only thing is they didn't show you the finished result, so I'm not 100% sure how it would work, or if it would work, but it might be an idea. You could do away with these coils. I mean, they're pretty reliable really for what they are. These little magnetos. But yeah, you can see I've got the cable because I've taken it apart to clean it, so I'm going to take it out and put it in the ultrasound. Yeah, I just wanted to try the valve, the anti-fire thing. But yeah, I don't have much chance to do. I've had things going on today, so I only just got down here tonight. But yeah, at least I mean, it's turned over fast enough now, so it's not that. It's got to be 2 dead coils, or 4 dead coils on 2 engines. But having said that, I did manage to get this one You know, the one off the, whatever it's called, put it up here. What, that one? That one. The 18 horse. I did a few times get a few sparks out of it, but then again that's typical in it of coil breaking down. So like I say, there's nothing connected to it. I haven't got the earth to it or nothing before somebody says, oh, you've left it wired up, we've done this. I've tried, you know, tried everything I can, so I'm pretty sure they're dead. The only thing I will say is the magnet isn't very strong on the flywheel. It's, well, you know what I mean, I don't know if it could be something to do with that, but I'd find it funny to have two engines down, like I say. So anyway, right, I've decided that I'm going to make this into a mud mower, this one here, the MTD. It's going to be very basic what it is now. I ain't going to do a lot to it, probably tyres for starters, just to get it going. Just going to have a third one so that when we go out, because obviously I've got to do the Murray, when we go out, Jordan's got something to go on, or you know what I mean. Buses want to get me back out there pretty quick as soon as I've got the fire up. It won't be nothing pretty. Plus it's hydro, so it'll be a good chance to try what the hydros are like. I know they're not fast, and you can't really gear them up. I've seen some really weird ways people have tried to do it. If it works or not, I don't know. So it's a lot of work to get them to go quick. Yeah, yeah. I just thought I'd do, like I say, a little video tonight because I said I'd do one this week on it. Yeah, so there's not really a lot to say, is it? He ain't going. At least I've got my battery sort of charged up, so that's one thing. For when it, I'm just, you know, I just don't know what to do. I don't have to go and buy a couple of coils, because obviously I'll get trade discounts. So do I buy a couple of coils, or do I try converting it to Chinese and electronic ignition? I'm guessing if it worked properly, that'd be more reliable. Who knows? I don't know. I mean, I've got Chinese electronics on the lift fan, and that's fine. I mean, I've never had a spark problem or sort of nothing like that. So yeah, it might be the way to go. I don't know. I'll have to think about it overnight and let you know. Alright, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.